New year, new engine. After the better is finished now, I thought I will start do something on this 1935 6PB Villiers Meg. It should not have that much work needs to it. We will see. As I haven't mentioned, I think this engine has been in my ownership, I think 5 years now. Haven't got the time to take it apart. But finally, 2024 will be its year. Maybe the gungeon pin is a bit worn, don't know. Today is the last day of the year, 31st December. The engine is being put back together. Will fit the new rings. With the new package. 3 compression rings and 2 oil scrapers came, but originally the engine had 4 compression rings. Checked out with a vertical engine, the PT. On this groove it will have oil hose, so I am assuming that the two oil scrapers will be for the vertical engine. I will use one of the old ones for this groove. We'll put the new for the tree top and the new scraper here. Also new head gasket. Because the old one was made of some paper fiber. Thanks for watching.